Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you every single tutorial I made in March 2024. Some of these things I'm about to show you haven't been released on the channel yet, but they will be. So the only thing that we had in this row at the beginning of the month was a furniture store, but then we added a funeral home, a large suburban house, the loud house featuring Vanzilla, a modern skyscraper that also doubles as an office building, Optimus Prime as a truck, Carl's Jr., which is a fast food restaurant, the Has-Been Hotel, and also the Jade Palace from Kung Fu Panda. Typically speaking, I would usually build about 10 more things during a month, but the Has-Been Hotel and the Jade Palace are just so massive. Each one of them are literally 6 times larger than any one of the builds that I would typically make. So kind of a weird month, but it is cool to have some giant projects in the design world. So that's what I spent the majority of March 2024 building. If you like the look of this world, you can actually download it. Guys, roll the advert. Consider becoming a channel member today and you will gain access to a cool avatar next to your name, some unique emojis, and access to my mini city design world containing every single build that has been added to Mini City to date. This is well over 100 builds, all chronologically ordered. Java edition only. And that's it. I'll be checking back in with you guys at the start of the next month to see what we've been building in April 2024. I think that there's going to be a lot of cool stuff. Goodbye.